All right, 5-minute warm-up. Welcome, let's get started. What's up, runners? Today I want to talk about a painful topic, and that is plantar fasciitis. It is a word that I think brings fear to a lot of runners because it's not good. It's not good when you have it. And, you know, I'm not a doctor, and so I'm going to get the medical terminology wrong. But basically what it is a inflammation of the plantar fasciitis, which I guess is a tissue or ligament that kind of connects from your toes down to your heel bone. And you'll know when you have it because you get sort of that painfulness in the bottom of your foot, that painfulness in your heel. That's especially bad when you wake up in the morning or if you've been sitting down for a while. And over time, as you warm up, or the beginning of a run, and as you warm up over time, it kind of loosens up and feels a little bit better, but it's definitely not great. And you know, you've seen a lot of top pro athletes get sidelined and mix big races because of it, because it's no fun. And it happens. It's an overuse injury, and it happens. Now, if you do happen to come down with it, and I right now I believe I'm battling a minor case of it. I'm about to start going to some physical therapists to take a look. There's a bunch of things you can do to help alleviate it. But there's something that I stumbled across that I wanted to talk about. I came across this when I was at Fleet Feet the other day. I was at Fleet Feet looking for something. I think I was looking for gels for a run. And I was just roaming around the store like I always do, checking out the clothing and different things like that. And I saw this sock in the corner. And I said, what is this thing? And I looked at it, and it's called the Strasbourg Sock. So Strassburg, very German-sounding name. And it's named after the doctor who invented it. And what the sock claims is that it will help you heal from plantar fasciitis. In fact, here's what it says. It says, for optimal results, the sock should be worn for a minimum of 6 hours per night until the sufferer has had 7 pain-free mornings. In an independent medical research study, the largest ever conducted on any night splint, this was an average of 18.5 days and 98% of patients recovering within 8 weeks. So that's incredible. And there's another there's another article here that says, where's the other one that's really good? Okay, yeah. So in the largest ever independent night splint study ever conducted by the FDA, it's proven effective at recovering from plantar fasciitis. Like I said, 98% of patients within 8 weeks. 100% of patients were able to comfortably wear the sock. It's not this big, heavy boot that you might see other places. It's lightweight, it's breathable. So anyways, if you're suffering from plantar fasciitis, I want you to check it out. And basically what the sock is, imagine a compression sock, like the ones that you wear that go up to your knee, so up over the calf. It's that long, and so it kind of goes up, all the way up your calf, sits right below your kneecap. So it's a very high sock. It is not a compression sock in the sense that it doesn't put that tight compression on your leg. But it is a little bit tight. It's like a dress sock. And so it goes all the way up to your knee, and it has enough tension that it stays in place. Then at the toe end, there's a strap. And this strap, you can take this strap and you pull it up, and there's a loop at the very top of the sock that sits right below the knee. And you kind of take this strap, you put it into the loop, and you tie it with Velcro. And what this does is that it holds your foot flexed while you sleep at night. And so instead of your foot kind of laying flat like it does when it's relaxed, it holds it up and slightly pulls your toes back, kind of like you have when you're standing. And so what this does is that when you're sleeping, your foot is in the active position. And so the stance that you're typically walking in or standing in, that's the position that holds your foot in while you sleep. And so it enables your foot to heal, the plantar fasciitis to heal overnight in this active stretch position compared to a relaxed position. Because when it's in a relaxed position and you wake up in the morning and you immediately activate it when you stand, it rips the plantar fasciitis all over again, and you're in pain and you start it all over again. And so it never gets a chance to heal in the active position that you are spending most of your day in, walking and standing. And so that's what the sock does. It keeps your foot in that active position, toes slightly flexed. It's not uncomfortable. It doesn't hurt. It's not a stretch. You don't feel it. It just kind of keeps your toes slightly pulled back in this position, and it helps your foot heal. I've worn 9 for a couple nights now, and I'm liking the benefit. I don't get the pain in the morning like I used to. I'm still getting pain when I run, and so there's more work to be done. But in terms of seeing immediate improvement, yeah, it's completely obvious. And if the studies are right, if I keep this up for the next couple weeks or so, it should really eliminate the pain. But so if you find yourself suffering from a minor case of plantar fasciitis, check out the Strasberg Sock. It is I think, early intervention method that can help ward off the early signs of inflammation from plantar fasciitis and keep you on your feet, running healthy, stronger, longer.